What is abacus and mental arithmetic? Abacus and mental arithmetic is actually a collaboration of abacus technique and mental arithmetic technique. Abacus calculation is originated from the beats of abacus and it performs the function of calculating. The four fundamental operations of arithmetic are calculated through one upper beat and four lower beats. During the process of training, students should master the specific rules before moving beats systematically. The moving of beats means the process of calculation. The space between beats represents the formation of numbers. Through the principles of calculation by beats in abacus calculation, students could understand the concept of numbers quickly. Mental arithmetic is trained by moving beats on both hands. The whole process of abacus calculation is branded into brains. The vision organ translates numbers into the image of beats while calculating in the brain. The external activity shown is a speedy calculation. However, the internal activity includes the transformation of numbers in the left brain into the image of beats in the right brain. The transformation of numbers into image of beats enhances the coordinated development of left and right brains. Besides, it will develop children's thinking skills, improve concentration, and practice spatial imagination and memory power by using imagination to move beats. Mental arithmetic is a speedy process of calculation through the image of beats movement in the brain. The image of beats can be transmitted into a clear integrated numbers, pictures and symbols. It is also a complicated process of information transfer, processing, integrating, saving and controlling automatically in children's brain. Mental arithmetic introduces information to cerebrum by means of vision, hearing, feeling and others. By combining the knowledge of abacus calculation, imagination, reasoning, judgment and the simulation of moving beats by using fingers can be processed. Students change the calculation by fingers into the calculation through thinking by mind. With a lot of thinking, fingers movement, speaking, seeing, listening and the process which involve the transition of numbers into pictures and many senses will enhance the collaborative of both brains, which promotes the children's intelligence development. When students are learning mental arithmetic, they have to memorize a series of numbers through the abacus in their mind. Thus, it will enlarge the students' short-term memory capacity with as speedily as possible and their memory could be strengthened obviously. This situation is also shown when they are learning English. They could memorize the spelling and pronunciation of any words speedily. Human's potential is like the mineral deposits. Strip mine is few and most of them are still waiting to be explored and dug. However, the development of human's potential has its best state or condition. Learning abacus and mental arithmetic is all the rage in the world due to its effective right brain and whole brain development, its inspiration of the development of thoughts and the superiority of building brain image. The early childhood education takes advantage of the figurability of brain, develops the intelligence of cerebral cortex and builds up dense neural network in the golden age. Children's brains grow fast. The brain weight of a 5 to 6-year-old child is equal to 86% of an adult's brain. This is a crucial moment to cultivate their sensibility of vision, auditory discrimination and exercising muscle fingers. The earlier the stimulation in one's brain, the more profundity the brain is. Therefore, the best period of one's intelligence development is at the age of 4 to 12. The nerve system of children is just in the period of development. It is due to the figurability and easily influencing of outside stimuli. Thus, children have great potentials of learning in themselves. Children have strong learning potential. All these potential include hearing, seeing, confidence, memory, thinking, language, art, creativity, and so on. For answering each exercise, the answer showed on the student's abacus is number 0, which also shows an empty position. Students are able to break through the choke point and go into a new realm through the fast calculation without any other ideas or personal considerations. The situation is alike with practicing Kung Fu. Only the players with strongest ability can achieve the level of static and deeper. Therefore, when the students are trained by mental arithmetic, they can immediately get into static because they have high degree of self-control and low interference. The Abacus and Mental Arithmetic program helps to promote children's early development of intelligence effectively. Under good guidance, the potential abilities of students are able to be exerted. Once their thinking is active, the imagination of beats is easy to be built in their brains as well, and at the same time, it also inspires and enhances children's memory, imagination, attention, and other high-level thinking. Besides, Abacus and Mental Arithmetic also develop infants' right brain and whole brain development, which enables children to enhance thinking and helps to train better personalities for children such as endurance, perseverance, concentration, and self-confidence. In the meantime, children will also benefit from the program by killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Abacus and Mental Arithmetic enhances children's memory and concentration. If the capacity of the space images in children's right brain becomes larger, they will have an agile mind with strong memory power as well. Day after day, there is a channel formed by the brain cells which leads to children's potentials and intelligence. Memory is a source of intelligence. Through continuous learning and memorizing, the knowledge will be ours one day.